Welcome to a video tutorial on how to use Equation Editor, part of Microsoft Office Word. The first thing we're going to do is go to the Insert tab and insert our name. Create a header. Choose a blank header. Go back to the Home tab and write Justify. Double-click out of the header to get back into the main body. Create a title for your worksheet. Next thing we're going to do is create an ordered list. Go to the Ordered List button at the top and begin typing your first word problem. Baseball diamond is 90 feet from each of the three bases and to home plate. Each baseline forms a right angle. How far does the second baseman need to throw to get a runner out at home plate? We're going to insert an equation. Go to the Insert tab and over to the pi symbol. When you click on the pi symbol, there will be these options. Click on the Script tab to create exponents in your equation. Click into the base box to put in 90. Click into the exponent box to put in a square. Press the right arrow key to get out of the exponent box. Put an addition symbol and create another exponent square. Right arrow, equal sign, and one more exponent block to put in c squared. When I see equation tools on top, it usually means I need to double click out of it before it will allow me to insert another. 90 squared is 8100 equals c squared. Insert another equation. 8100 plus 8100 is 16,200 equals c squared. Click into the base and put a c, click into the exponent and put a squared. Now to take the square root of both sides, we're going to use the radical option. Square root. What do we want to take the square root of? Well, 16,200. Use the right arrow to get out from underneath the radical to put in c. No longer do we need a c squared because the square root of c squared is c. And the last step of our equation is, what is the square root of 16,200? It's 127.3 approximately. I'm going to go to the symbols menu here, and there is an approximation symbol instead of an equal sign. The final step is to write a word problem with our word answer. The second baseman needs to throw approximately 127 feet to reach home plate. The next thing we need to do is insert a diagram. Go to the Insert tab and over to Shapes, and you'll see that there's a beautiful looking diamond. Insert it anywhere you want to the side of the equation. Now realize that this symbol may alter our equations and move things around. I always click on wrapping to go through it, and I'm just going to move it over to the side. You also can insert a line showing second base to home plate if you wish. Again, wrapping to go through it. And there we have our equation and our diagram. You can fiddle with the diagrams as much as you want, but they're not so important. This is just to get the hang of things. Go back to your ordered list and start an ordered list for our second word problem. A fireman needs to put a ladder up to a window 25 feet above the ground. The base of the ladder needs to be 10 feet away from the house to avoid the bushes. How long does the ladder need to be for a fireman to climb to the window? Insert another equation box. Start with 25 squared. Right arrow plus 10 squared. Equals c squared. insert another equation. 25 squared is 625 plus 10 squared, which is 100, equals c squared. $625 plus 100 is 725, equals c squared. When you take the square root of each side, you're going to take the square root of 725, and you're going to take the square root of c squared, which is c. What is the square root of 725? It's approximately 26.9 feet. So we're going to go to the symbols and get our approximate symbol. Our answer to our word problem is the ladder needs to be 27 feet long to reach the window. Now we need to insert a diagram. Insert a shape. This time we're going to insert a tall rectangle to represent the house. And then we're going to insert a right triangle. To represent the ladder leaning against the house. And there you have our diagram. Now we're going to continue on with our ordered list and create our final word problem. Televisions are measured diagonally. We want to purchase an entertainment center that only holds up to a 27-inch television. Our TV is 15 inches long and 12 inches high. Will our current TV be able to fit into the new entertainment center? Insert an equation. The equation we want to insert this time is 15 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. $15 squared plus 12 squared, we'll just combine them this time to 369 equals c squared. Take the square root of each side. We want to take the square root of 369. And the square root of c squared is c. What is the square root of 369? It's approximately 19.2 inches. The word answer to our word problem is the 19.2-inch TV will fit into the new entertainment center easily, since it fits up to a 27-inch TV. Last but not least, we need to create a diagram to go with our word problem. Click on the Insert tab and Shapes. Again, we're going to choose a rectangular shape for our rectangular television. Have the text go through. Let's see if we can get it to look a little better. And we're going to draw a line to show how we would measure a television. And there we have our worksheet. Have fun creating your own word problems and using this technique in your own worksheets.